coffee maker for the first time. Plug the power cable connector into the socket at the back of the appliance and connect the appliance to the mains electricity supply. Make sure the main switch on the back of the appliance is in the I position. When fill tank appears, remove the water tank open the lid, fill to the max line with fresh water, replace the lid and put the tank back in the appliance. You must choose the language. The languages scroll through at intervals of about 3 seconds. When English appears, press and hold the OK button for a few seconds until English Set is displayed. If the water spout is not inserted, the display shows Insert Water Spout. Insert the hot water spout on the nozzle and place a container with a minimum capacity of 500 millilitres underneath. Hot water, press OK, is displayed. Press the hot water delivery button to confirm. The appliance delivers water from the spout, then goes off automatically. The coffee machine is now ready for normal use.